For sure naman, we'll never know what's gonna happen on that day, diba? We'll never know what's gonna happen on the finals then. We're just hoping for the best. We're gonna train hard. For sure, Coach Lai will make us train harder and push ourselves even more pa. So, I think we have to worry. Ano ba? Kailangan namin i-worry. Kailangan lang namin siguro i-worry kung paano kami magsusurvive sa training ni Coach Tai. And every game naman kasi iba yung situation, iba yung circumstances. So we cannot, sabi nga ni Father Chat kanina, yung bola bilog. So hindi mo din talaga, hindi mo nalaman. Yung surface lang naman din talaga. Kailangan talaga maging, yung foundation namin, kailangan maging, ano ba, parang doon kami dapat mas patag. Kailangan pa namin ayusin yung sa training namin para mas magkaroon kami ng confidence. It starts talaga sa training eh. Kasi kung maganda naman yung tinitraining namin, kung mas maganda namin nagagawa sa training, yung mga skills, yung teamwork namin. So, I think lalabas naman sa game. So,